Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications.
Happy birthday. If you'd like, ask me to sing happy birthday and we'll celebrate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, good morning. It's May 5th, my birthday, and I'm turning 20 this year. No, that's a lie. So, anyway, it's lockdown and there's not much you can really do, but I have a few things planned to make this day special, and I'm gonna record it for you guys. So, yeah. Thank you everyone for all your wishes.
और साफ जगह दे, यहाँ मिट्टी है। आ गया तीसरा भी। स्काई आ गया, स्काई तेरे। हैप्पी बर्थडे शिवांगी।
Thank you. Party चल रही है.
हाँ पार्टी
Crows are also part of the party.
पार्टी पार्टी यस पार्टी। लोग नहीं आ सके तो जानवर तो आ गए।
Birthday feast.
यस पार्टी पार्टी। इसने बाहर निकाल दिया।
Hello.
My two favorite girls.
एक हिरनी और एक कुकी।
Hi. Hello.
हो गया, तेरे को दे दिया था ना सुबह।
मेरी बेटी की किसी का.
वो देख देख शिवांगी, देखने वाली चीज है, देखने वाली चीज है। देख देख देख, अभी गोल गोल घूम रही थी, अभी रह गई है वो। मैं जैसे जैसे गोल घूम रही हूँ वो भी साथ साथ। देख देख इसको, देख अब देख, अब देख।
तोड़ दूं? खा लिया.
Dogs everywhere.
ये बर्थडे मन गया मेरा. ये लो.
हाँ ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Shivangi. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
खुश रहे।
Happy birthday
To
you.
Happy
May God
birthday.
bless you.
Just came out of the shower, and I was just wondering, my birthday went really well, even though there was lockdown and everything. It went really well. I spent it with my loved ones, and most of it virtually, but it was really nice. And that's what's special about birthdays. Like, you're surrounded by your loved ones and you're reminded of how much you're loved, and nice, you know, from time to time in this big bad world. And yeah, one of my cousin sisters wrote a poem for me that really made my day. And one of my nephews drew a picture dedicated to me. I'll share it here. And that also made my day, although it reveals my age, but never mind. Age is just a number, you know. And yeah, I baked my own cake, which is interesting. Like, it's actually better to bake your own cake because, I don't know, like, there is the special ingredient of love, you know, in there. I know that sounds really poetic, excuse the poet in me, but it's true, you know. Like, homemade cakes are so much yummier than like, you know, from professional bakeries and everything. Of course, they have their own aspect to it because they're like really professionally done, but whatever, you know what I mean. Like, I really enjoyed baking my own cake. And other than that, we also made pizza at home. Like, you know, we're avoiding ordering right now, so we decided to make our own pizza, and it actually turned out pretty well, so that was nice. I hope you enjoyed watching like how I spent my birthday, of course with my loved ones, and as I said, I spent time with them, but I also spent time with my furry friends and, you know, gave them a party kind of a thing. And they were really happy, and, you know, watching them wag their tails was really heartwarming. And, you know, so now I will share a recipe of the quarantine special French onion soup. Like, I love French onion soup, and I was really craving it, so I decided to make it my own way, like with whatever ingredients I had, and it turned out really nice. So check it out. So all our ingredients are ready. The stock, of course, onions, cheese, grated cheese. I'm using regular like Amul cheese, although we use mozzarella cheese, but I couldn't find it. It's lockdown time, so we're gonna work with this. And of course, butter. So let's get to making our French onion soup. So I've added butter and 1.5 red onion. I'm gonna saute this till it is nice and brown, and we have to cook this in low flame, right? So the onions are almost done. Once they are done, I will add this vegetable stock, 4 cups of it, to the onions. Okay, we've added the stock. Now I'll add the 1/2 cup grated cheese. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt. And now on high flame I will let it boil for about 5 minutes. So the soup is about to be ready. So the right way of serving the classic French onion soup is with bread, but I like the grocery store near our place, the only one, has no bread supply, so unfortunately I won't be using bread to serve with the soup. But yeah, now once it's done, I'll add pepper and then I'll serve it. And our French onion soup is served. Okay, so let's try our French onion soup. So good. This is the quarantine special. I haven't been able to serve it in the classic way. with bread, but it's really nice. You have to try it at home and let me know how it was. Yes. Now I want to share a poem that I've written about the current situation and vis-a-vis Mother Nature and how we, humans treat her. So this poem is called The Great Realization. We tend to forget that this world we share. We are brutal and unkind to Mother Earth's other child. With the dean of the human life silenced and put aside, the birds sing louder, the sky is filled with butterflies. We don't need air conditioners. Summer is not so punishing. We don't need air purifiers. The breeze is free of pollution. With factories not puking waste into the rivers and lakes. The dolphins have returned. In Italy, they spotted a jellyfish. If you ask me honestly, I don't want to return to a human life so thirsty, it let Earth simply burn. Can we not find a friendly existence? A way to coexist with the other kind. Of a toxic life, it has been good riddance. Let us vow to live better, not be a blind go-getter. Leave the rat race behind. Before wasting, just think twice. So that's my poem, my little short poem about how, I think we have all realized what we were doing to Mother Earth and how we need to correct our ways and be more kind towards and basically just coexist with the other species that we share this world with. So that was that. And before ending the video, I want to share that I have written a book. It's called Voyage of a Spirit Friend. It's a romance fiction about an independent, career-oriented girl and how she meets two different men in the journey of her life, and how she falls in love and all that. So it's a really light-hearted, interesting, new age story of an independent girl. So please read this book and give it a review on whatever platform you can give a review on, Goodreads or some online platform from where you have bought the book. Just review it, and that I will be so thankful if you do. And other than that, I really want to thank the warriors of the COVID-19 war. This is practically a war we're fighting, and the warriors, the doctors, the delivery men, the garbage men, and everyone who is a part of fighting and keeping us safe and making our lives easier during this difficult time. So thank you so much, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I also want to thank all my viewers for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, it means a lot. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.